Right, thank you, Lindsay. Let's talk about the forecast now. Noticeably warmer today than it's been the first 2 days of this week. Did you bring this back with you?
I mean, I hope I did.
Always a
I'm
ray
sorry,
of sunshine.
not sorry.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Hello,
We're in your sweet
lady.
spot right now, aren't we?
Yeah, I don't mind the heat. It's the humidity that's going to come back that is not, I'm not a fan of that. The air gets kind of sticky. We do have hot, humid air in the forecast starting tomorrow, and that will also help create an opportunity for some showers and storms, which may be severe. By the way, we'll talk more about that. Then we've got it not as hot on Juneteenth with a rain chance, lower humidity in 80s for the Father's Day weekend. Looks nice out there, right? And we actually have a little breeze that's comfortable. That is the campus of Elon University this afternoon. Dew points are still low, so they're in the 50s, so it is relatively comfortable. They are about to go up, though. Humid air Thursday and Friday, and then we'll dry out again in time for the weekend. Temperature right now is 88 degrees in Greensboro, 87 Winston-Salem and Moxville, 86 in Mount Airy. We've got winds coming in out of the southwest at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. We're in the drier air now, but with a southwest wind, you see what is down to our south and to our west. It is the humid air, so that will come back. Also, in the meantime, we've got a front that's going to come in at the same time. So there's severe weather out over the upper Midwest. In fact, a real high risk of it across Illinois and Indiana. Thankfully, that storm will weaken some as it moves into our area by tomorrow. But we do anticipate the possibility of isolated strong to severe storms. That's why we're in that marginal risk, slight risk to the north. So we may see more intense thunderstorms forming up north of the border there with Virginia. Damaging wind is going to be the main threat for us as we head into tomorrow afternoon. So make sure you know your safe place, lowest floor, away from windows when thunderstorms do move in. We've got this stalled out stationary front with just a few passing clouds right now. So it's quiet as we head into the nighttime. We'll see a few more clouds by early tomorrow, but really not too bad. It's mostly the humidity you're going to feel. Temperatures will be in the low 70s to start tomorrow, and we may make a run into the mid 90s by tomorrow afternoon before we do see a few of these storms kind of developing and pushing into the area. So we'll expect to see at least a few scattered showers and storms tomorrow afternoon. You'll notice here on the Piedmont Triad forecast that we do have the impact icons in there for that risk of severe weather. Breezy conditions, a high of 93. For the foothills, also afternoon and evening storms, high temperature about 91. And in the mountains, the high is 83, also with scattered storms. Let's talk about Arthur at the top of the newscast. We talked about the position. It is inland right now. Still, we have tropical storm warnings that are out for Texas as well as Louisiana. They are bracing for flooding rains there, some 5 to 10 inches, locally 20 is a possibility. Flash flood watches all across the deep south. Notice the Carolinas are not included in those flood watches at this point. It is expected to weaken, become just a remnant low, and then work its way slowly across the deep south. And you can see most of the models have it tracking just to the south of us, which means right now most of the heavy, significant rains may fall just to our south on this current track. So we'd like to get some beneficial rains from this. We'd like to get some significant rain from this, not flooding, but right now the odds are this will be real close to our area. So tomorrow afternoon you see the storms. Our best chance likely will be Thursday night into Friday morning. You see a big area of showers and thunderstorms, but notice most of this is to our south. So we need a little nudge to the north to cash in on maybe some 1 to 2 inch rainfall totals. Right now, those look to be maybe over the southern triad, possibly down to the south. This can and likely will change. So we encourage you, of course, to make sure you keep it right here with WXII 12 online and on the air, and we'll keep you up to date. Here's your 7-day forecast. Notice that that drier air is coming in with that front. It brings us some mid 80s for Saturday, which is nice. Morning lows that are in the low 60s, less humid, and a really nice Father's Day in the forecast as well.